What is going on, everyone? This is what I picked up. I picked up a heavy duty bottle jack that's 12 tons, and this is the item number. This was on sale, including the floor jack aluminum that's 1.5 tons or 3,000 pounds. And was also on sale, and this is the item number. This floor jack goes up to a maximum height of 13 inches and 7/8, and the clearance on the ground is 7.5 inches. It's a low profile. The bottle jack goes up 18 inches, and here's a little bit of the specs on it. Now, I already have one set of this, and I bought another set. What I like about the aluminum floor jack especially is it's super light. It's just under 40 pounds. And my steel jacks are super heavy, probably around 60 pounds. And it's just really tough to take it in and out of the garage and put in the back of a pickup truck that's four-wheel drive. It's pretty tall. So even though I may not have exactly the height I need for this jack, I just take a block of wood, add it right there to the base where it goes up, and like a 2x4 or 4x4, and that gives me more than enough room to lift it. Being that it does pick up 3,000 pounds, it actually picks up my pickup truck. I'm using a Ram 1500. Another thing I like about it is that the handles right here has the push-in style and not the screw. Makes it super quick and portable compared to my steel ones that this connection portion is a screw, and it's just a pain to unscrew it if you don't have the room to put in the back of a car, like in the trunk. This one's a quick release, which I really like. And I've used the other model that's just like this, the other floor jack, for about 3 years and never had any problems. And when both of these items went on sale, I went and picked it up. The bottle jack was $29. I believe it retails for $44. And the aluminum floor jack was $89. And it retails, I believe, right around $100. So I couldn't really pass that up. And Harbor Freight had the cheapest on aluminum jacks. What I plan on doing right now is taking off my summer tires and putting on my winter tires on my Subaru. So I needed a spare aluminum jack, and I didn't feel like pulling out the metal jacks that are just too heavy. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks.